everyone and welcome back to my Skillshop project series. In this video, I will explain how I designed the responsive single product page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Tailwind CSS. The single page product is one of the most important pages in any e-commerce or course marketplace system because it allows users to view detailed information about a specific product or a skill. In this page, users can see the product title and the description, category and the difficulty level, ratings and the reviews, instructor details, the price and the enrollment, options, and the related skills. The design is built using Tailwind CSS utility classes, which will help create a modern, responsive, and a clean interface. So as you can see, there is my productview.php file. So in this file, I have already connected it to the database and retrieved all the data from the database. But to show the design of this product view page, I have just made a productview.html file just to show the design. So for the visual design of the page, first I have got a div class min8screen, style background white. So here this entire page is wrapped inside a container. So this ensures the page always fills the screen height. The page layout is divided into two main sections, hero section and the main section. So the main content area is further divided into two columns, the left content section and the right sticky sidebar. So this layout is created by using Flexbox with Tailwind CSS. Now inside this wrapper we have the hero section, which is the top banner of the product page. It uses gradient background created with Tailwind classes, background gradient to left to right, from Slate 900 via Blue 900 to Blue 900. So this gradient gives a modern and a professional appearance. Inside this section, an image is added as a background overlay. So here the image uses opacity 10, scale 105, blur SM to create a subtle background effect. On top of this hero section, we display the breadcrumb navigation, the product badges, the product title, and the quick statistics. The breadcrumb helps users to navigate back to the product list. For example, here I have used skills and here the design. Next we show the badges that represent the difficulty level. So here I have given beginner, then I have the category as design, then the enrollment status as enrolled. So these badges uses Tailwind styling such as rounded 4, px3, py1 and text xs. After the badges, the product title is displayed using a large typography. So it uses text 3XL, MD text 4XL, font extra bold, text white, leading tight, MB4 and max width 2XL. So this makes the title visually prominent. Now below the title we display the important product information. So here we have the quick stats. So in here it includes the rating, the number of reviews, student count and the instructor name and also the product creation date. These are displayed using a flex layout to align items horizontally. Icons are used to make the information visually clearer. Now then we have the main content layout. So this main content area uses this structure as flex column, large flex row and gap 8. This means on small screens it shows a vertical layout and on large screens it shows a horizontal layout. This makes the page fully responsive. The layout contains left section and the right section in here. So in the left section it shows the product information, then in the right section it shows the purchase panel. Now in the first card in the left section is about the skill section. So this displays the product description. So here I have given build strong brand identities with design. This uses a card layout styled with Tailwind. The important classes include background white, rounded 2XL, border slate 100, padding 6 and shadow SM. So these styles create a clean and a professional card appearance. Next, below that we have the what's included section. So in this section it shows the features that come with the course. For example, full course access, lifetime access, direct support, resources, certificate and expert content. So these features are generated using a PHP loop. Then here, so each item appears inside a styled box using Tailwind classes such as background green 50, rounded XL, padding horizontally 3 and padding vertically 2. So this visually separates each feature. Then below this we have the review section. So this section shows the user the feedback about the skill. So each review contains the review avatar, then the reviewer name, then the date, then the star rating, and then lastly the review comment. So this review cards are styled using background slate 50, rounded 2XL, padding 4 and gap 3 and flex. So this layout creates a clear and a readable review layout. The rating stars are displayed using star icons. Now below this review section we have the related skills section. So here we will display the related skills from the same instructor. This section uses a grid layout. So here we have grid, SM grid col 3 and gap 4. So this means for mobile 1 column, for tablet 2 columns and for desktop 3 columns. Each related skill card includes the course image, the level label, the course title and the price. The hover effects are added to improve the user experience. So here I have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. Then below that I have the sticky purchase sidebar. So on the right side we can see this. This section remains visible while scrolling because it uses the sticky top 24. So inside this sidebar we can have two main components. The first is the purchase card, which contains the product image, the price, the enroll button, then add to cart and the watch list button. The enroll button uses the gradient background to make it stand out. Then next is the product meta information such as the level, student count, the rating and the date added. These are displayed using a simple row layout. So below the purchase card we have the instructor card. This displays the instructor avatar, the instructor name, then the instructor role, then the join date. It also shows the statistics such as the number of courses, the number of students, and the average rating. This helps build trust for the course. So as you can see, this is the single product view page. So here first I have the hero section. In this hero section you can see the breadcrumb navigation where you can choose skills related to this course. Then I have the product badges. Here I have the difficulty level, then the category, full stack development, then I have the title of this course. Then below that you can see the quick statistics of this course, reviews, number of students, by which instructor, and which date this course has been added. Then below that you have the course features. Here you have the course description about the skill, then the what's included card, then you have the reviews section. Then below that you can see the related skills by this instructor. Here I have 3 product cards over here. Then next to it, to the right side, you can see the sticky purchase sidebar with the price, with the button enroll now, and the add to cart and the watch list button. Then here you have the course statistics, in what level it is, how many students are joined, the rating of it, and when this course was added. Then below that you have the instructor information, what type of instructor, the instructor's name, the instructor's avatar with the first name letter, then when this instructor has joined this platform, then the number of courses, then the number of students, and the number of ratings this instructor has, and then you have the button for message instructor. To conclude, the single product view page was designed using HTML4 structure, Tailwind CSS for responsive styling, JavaScript for interactive behavior, PHP for dynamic data loading. Then the page includes several components such as the hero section, the product description, the course features, the reviews, the related skills, the sticky purchase sidebar, the instructor information. All these components work together to create a responsive and a user-friendly product page. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.